Hey, what's up, AVID class? I hope you're having fun. I hope you're enjoying all the free time and downtime and hopefully doing absolutely nothing while this whole horrible, terrifying, ridiculous, most crazy thing I've ever seen in my lifetime thing goes through. I just wanted to update you on what's going on and what I know and what you need to know and things going forward. First, I hope you're doing well. Probably like me, your schedule is absolutely different and crazy and weird and strange. And you might be looking after siblings. You might be looking after work stuff. You might be doing things that you're not used to doing at this time and being really bored or really busy. I don't know. But I just hope that everyone's cool and relaxed and staying safe and staying in your houses. I've been just hanging around here, taking care of Shane, taking care of Kristen, and playing a lot of basketball, a lot of baseball, a lot of wrestling, and making food, doing dishes. I don't know. There's not a lot going on. We're just staying in and trying to stay as busy as we can. So I hope you're doing the same. It's weird, and I'm sorry that everyone's having to go through it. So first thing is your grades. Your current grades on Neo is other than when I get your essays in, those big argument papers that you did, as long as those are in and I have them all. Once I put those grades in, your grades are done. They're locked. Term three's in the books. Today is the official end of term three because next week is our spring break. So like you, like me, the principal, district, everything's shut down for the next week. No one's going to be working. No one's going to be doing anything. So we're honoring spring break, and you should too. Relax as best you can. But that also means that there's no more work to do. There are no more assignments. Everything that's done is done. It's over. We're going to pretend that term three just kind of ended a week early. So anything that we would have done last week is done, is gone. It's canceled or it's postponed, and you're excused from it. So don't worry about doing any work at all as far as my class is concerned. And you shouldn't be, having to worry about it. Now we come back the week after next. We're all going to be back. Not you, me, teachers and admin and stuff. We're going to be preparing, we think, for a pretty online model for now. It's going to be really easy for this class to do that. I can move everything online pretty easily and do everything online pretty easily. And so all the work that you're going to be needing to worry about will be not until April 6th. So you're not doing anything for me until April 6th. And then once that date comes, I think we're going to be moving to some sort of online model. But right now, they don't even know the plan. And I don't even know the plan. And so we're just kind of working the best we can with what we have. So stay tuned for that. As far as your AP tests are concerned, College Board doesn't know what it's going to do, and neither do we. So just sit tight with the AP test. I imagine that a lot of our work when we come back into this weird online thing is going to be done through College Board and a lot of AP test preparation in addition to your other AVID stuff. I don't know what that's going to look like, and I don't know if they know what that's going to look like. They've proposed maybe there's some online AP test. There's a thing where they don't know. And so I don't know either. Just be patient with us, and whatever it is we roll out on April 6th, I promise I will do the best I can to make sure you're getting everything you need, and all the work will be graded fairly and given fairly, and you won't have a ton of stuff that you're worrying about all the time. So please, please, please email me with questions. You should all have my phone number by now, so you can text me too if anything is pressing. But I just want you to relax, hang out, play some games on your phones, or watch some new Netflix thing, or learn the new Korean dance or whatever's going on, or just try to relax and have fun and enjoy the time with your families, even though no one wants to do this. I'm actually having kind of a blast hanging out with these two and prepping for our new little guy. And so just, hopefully you're making the best of a bad situation and doing the best you can with what you have. So stay tuned for another update. Once we know what the class is going to look like, I'll make sure that everyone knows exactly what they need to do. And make sure you're checking your emails from stuff from the district and from the school. If you're like me and you often delete that crap, actually read it this time, because that's the way we're getting all of our information out, is through email. So make sure that you're keeping up with what they have going on and that you know what's going on too. So I love you all. Stay safe. Have fun. Stay in your houses and be cool. Reach out to me if you need anything. See you.